Alright, hey guys. This is going to be a rather unusual video on my YouTube channel because this is a math lesson. Sorry guys, but this video was requested by one of my math teachers, Mr. Bazaar. So Mr. Bazaar, if you stumble across this or I show it to you, I fulfilled one of your requests. So this video is just to teach you how to simplify BEDMAS equations. Say like you're doing a unit on BEDMAS and you don't really know how, you need some extra guidance, or you need it explained in simpler words. This video will teach you how to simplify a BEDMAS equation. So let's get familiar with BEDMAS. So B stands for brackets, E stands for exponents, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. And you'll always do it in this order. You'll do any BEDMAS equation in this order right here. Brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So let's get started. We're going to leave this on the side in case you need a reminder. But here's a simple equation that I pulled off of Google. Credit to BBC for it. Let me just get the marker out real quick because I can't do exponents with a keyboard for some reason. 60, and yes, my mouse writing is horrible. 60 minus bracket. That's not a C, that's a bracket in here. There we go. 4 squared plus 2 times 5 bracket equals what? Come on. There we go. So we're going to find out the value of this equation by using BEDMAS. So first thing you want to start off with is the brackets. So you do whatever is in brackets first. And in this case, we're going to jump straight to exponents because this is the only set of brackets there is in this equation. So we're going to do 4 squared, which is 4 times 4, or 4 times itself, because that's what exponents do. They time the number by itself, or multiply the number by itself. Sorry. So we're going to simplify this equation, and this is where I can switch to the keyboard for you guys, make it easier. Make it nice and big so you can see it. Is that big enough? Yep. E. I had to put an E for the cat. Shout out to the cat, by the way. But anyways, 60 minus bracket. So we do 4 squared. This is where you can pull out your calculator. I was doing something earlier, but 4 squared, so 4 times 4. In fact, you don't even need the calculator for that if you're good at mental math, but you can use the calculator if you want. There's no shame in using it, but 4 times 4 is 16. So 60 minus, or no, we gotta get rid of the brackets. That's one thing I forgot to mention, guys. Sorry. Once you do the brackets, you get rid of them. You get rid of the brackets when you do the B. in BEDMAS. So 60 minus 16 not equals, let me stretch this out, there we go, plus 2 times 5. And you don't want to keep putting the equal sign at the end. You want to keep putting it at the start. And so we got rid of the brackets. Now we move on to the next equation, or not the next equation, the next simplification. So the next step is doing the divisions, but of course this has no division in it. I could have picked a better one, I know, but this has no division. If there was a division, you would do that. So we're going to jump straight to multiplication. 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10. So that equals 60 minus 16. Here's the plus. Plus 10. Then we can move on to the next step, which is addition. minus, so you're going to do 16 plus 10. 16 plus 10 is 26. So we do 60 minus 26. Then move on to the final one, or the final step in BEDMAS, which is subtraction. 60 minus 26. You can pull the calculator out and use it if you want, but I'm going to do this mentally, because I'm good at mental math. Anyway, 60 minus 26 will give us 32. We can confirm that with the calculator. Let me just pull it up. If you do mental math, like if you're good at mental math like me, you always want to double check with the calculator. So 60 minus 26 equals 34. See, look, I made a mistake. I got confused there. If this was a 4, not a 6, that would have been, or no, if this was an 8, not a 6, that would have been 32. That's what I mean. That's another lesson, 2 lessons in one video. If you're doing mental math, double check with a calculator, because you can make silly mistakes like that. I learned the hard way. So, anyways, equals 34. That's the value of this equation using BEDMAS. So there you guys have it. That is how you do a BEDMAS equation, or simplify one. I mean, you follow these steps in order, and you get the answer. And you can always double check by using the calculator. So we're going to do that again real quick, just by punching the whole thing into the calculator, making sure we did this properly. 60 minus bracket 4 squared plus 2 times 5. 34. We did it properly. So there you have it. That is how you simplify a BEDMAS equation using BEDMAS. Thanks for watching. If you have any more requests for math or more math lessons, you can leave them down in the comments. I am doing another math lesson on the Pythagorean theorem. You won't want to miss that. I already tried doing a video earlier. I got really confused. But, so anyways, thanks for watching. I hope this video taught you something. And goodbye.